Improving communication skills is crucial for both personal and professional success. By implementing effective strategies, you can significantly enhance your ability to communicate. Let's explore various techniques that can help you become a more adept communicator and connect better with others. Start by practicing active listening. Concentrate fully on what the other person is saying without cutting them off. Show that you are engaged by nodding and responding appropriately, and summarize their points to ensure you've understood them correctly. Expanding your vocabulary is another key step. Read a wide range of materials, including books, articles, and reports. Maintain a journal to jot down new words and their meanings, and make an effort to incorporate these words into your daily conversations. Engage more in conversations with friends, family, or colleagues. Joining groups or clubs aligned with your interests can help you meet new people. Discuss various topics to build your confidence and ease in conversing with others. Practicing public speaking can greatly enhance your communication skills. Consider joining organizations like Toastmasters to refine your speaking abilities. Prepare presentations on subjects you enjoy and record yourself to identify and improve weak areas. Seeking feedback is invaluable. Ask friends or mentors for constructive criticism on your communication style. Pay attention to how others react to you and be willing to make adjustments based on their responses. Nonverbal communication plays a significant role. Be mindful of your body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice. Practice maintaining eye contact and using gestures to underline your points and keep your audience engaged. Clarity and conciseness are essential for effective communication. Be clear in your messaging and avoid unnecessary jargon. Aim for brevity to maintain your audience's attention and convey your message effectively. Regular reading and writing can sharpen your communication skills. Engage with diverse types of writing, such as essays and creative pieces, and practice writing emails, reports, and summaries to hone your skills. Managing stress is crucial during conversations. Develop techniques to stay calm, such as deep breathing exercises. Recognize when you are stressed and practice maintaining a calm demeanor to facilitate more productive interactions. Role-playing can be an effective way to improve communication. Practice different scenarios with a friend or mentor, such as handling difficult conversations or negotiating, to build confidence and skill. Utilize online resources for further improvement. Consider enrolling in online courses or workshops focused on communication skills. Watching videos or TED Talks that demonstrate effective communication techniques can also be beneficial. Maintain a sense of curiosity in your interactions. Ask open-ended questions to foster dialogue and show genuine interest in other people's perspectives and experiences. This will enrich your conversations and help you understand others better. Improving your communication skills is a gradual process that requires patience and practice. Be kind to yourself as you work through these strategies, and you'll gradually see significant improvements in your ability to connect with others. Would you like more detailed tips on any specific area of communication? Let us know how we can help you further on your journey to becoming a more effective communicator.